I am Katha Vachak and welcome to the realm of Katha. Today's Katha is from Greek mythology about a talented craftsman Daedalus and his son Icarus. Daedalus was incredibly talented and humble, and he was in servitude of King Minos of the Greek city Knossos. One day, the king ordered Daedalus to build Labyrinth, a complex and virtually inescapable maze to keep in the monster Minotaur, which was half bull and half man. As soon as the maze was constructed, the king ordered the imprisonment of Daedalus and his son Icarus to prevent the knowledge of Labyrinth from leaking out. The father and son duo were put in a very high tower with only access to the outside world as a window near the roof, and the only utilities they were provided were some wax candles. Apart from each other, the only companions they had were some birds of sea which used to come through the window. Every day, both father and son used to look through the window at the sky and would dream of the freedom. One day, Daedalus got an idea. He constructed two sets of wings using the feathers dropped by the birds and using the candle wax to tie them together. He put one set on Icarus and one on himself. Before escaping, he cautioned Icarus not to fly too close to the sea as the tempests might affect the feathers, and not to fly too close to the sun because the heat might melt the wax. And then they both took off, flapping the wings. After reaching outside, Icarus felt finally free and got giddy with excitement. He started flapping his wings to go higher and higher in the sky, ignoring all the warning shouts from his father. Higher and higher he went, until at one point he flapped his wings and realized that there were no feathers left. The sun had melted all the wax, and now all that was left were his bare hands. And so he fell into the sea and drowned a tragic death. The place where he fell is today known as Icarian Sea, near the Greek island Icaria. This katha gives us an important learning, not to give in to overconfidence, and is the origin of the idiom, do not fly too close to the sun. This was today's katha. Until next time.